In this video, I will show you how to solve TikTok problem something went wrong. First of all, make sure that you have a good internet connection. For that, open your Wi-Fi or mobile data settings, whatever you use or prefer. Tap on your network to select it. Check the signal strength. Make sure it's good. If it's weak, then tap on the forget option and reconnect it later on. Next, what you can do is open your TikTok application. On the home screen, you will see the message written as something went wrong. Tap on the profile tab at the bottom right corner. On the profile page, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. A drop down menu will appear. Tap on the settings and privacy option. Scroll down and look for the option free up space. Tap on it. On the next screen, you will see cache section. Tap on the clear option right in front of it. Tap again on clear. The cache data will be cleared. Clearing the cache won't affect your TikTok appearance, but it helps improve app's performance. Now refresh the TikTok application by closing it and opening it again. It will be working properly. And this is how you can solve TikTok problem something went wrong.